Hey guys, theory B. I will not talk too much, I promise. Ratios, fractions, decimal numbers, and percentages. Hey, do you remember that little exercise you had to make for me? Well, now one thing is coming, is new, that's ratios. So you know the fraction 1 out of 4 is the decimal number 0.25 and it's the percentage 25%. So now the ratio is the same as 1 to 4, which you can also write 15 out of 16, but of course you simplify. So the ratio of 12 and 30 is the same as, let's first write it, ratio notation, and then simplify it, 2 out of 5. Then the fraction, look, 2 out of 5, the fraction 2, 5. Decimal number will be 0.40 because 1 out of 5 or 1 divided by 5 is 0.20. And the percentage, you know, from decimal to percentage is times 100 is 40. From percentage to decimal is divided by 100. So let's have a look at some more examples. Let's just write it. So let's go to the ratio. 75. Oh, it's a little bit blurry, I can see. 75 out of 120. So that is the ratio. Simplify this ratio, please. We divide by, let's say, what are we going to divide by? I need to think 2. But I think let's start with 5. Divided by 5 will give us 15. And then this divided by 5 will also give us 60. Yes or no? This divided by 5 is not 60. I'm really bad with calculating mentally. I'm still calculating. It's 24. 24. Yes, 24. Thank you all. 24. So 15 to 24. But can we still continue? Yes, we can. We can divide by 3. So even I cannot solve it in one time, which is fine. So you get 5 to 8. Yeah, why? Okay, I just did that. So the ratio is 5 to 8. So the fraction, that's the most easiest to go to, is 5 out of 8. Now, let's go to the percentage and the decimal. Let's first go to the decimal. You know that the decimal, you can find it by 5 dividing by 8. And 5 divided by 8, now do grab the calculator, check it for yourself. It's 0.625. And the percentage, easy, times 100, going to percentage times 100, you get 62.5%. Let me write it here. Going there is times 100. Going there is dividing by 100. So this, write this down, especially the last part. This is how you can find always the ratio, the fraction, the percentage, and the decimal in the next exercises, which is 69, 70, 71, and you can even start on 72 because that's an introduction on theory C. Good luck, guys.